How to make paper squishies. First, line up 2 papers. Then you're going to draw a square or a rectangle as big as you want. Next, you're going to cut out your shape. Now you're going to draw whatever you want on one side. Now you're going to color it in. After you're done coloring both papers, you're going to want to tape them to the table, like this. Now tape this one the same as this. Once you've taped them, pull them off carefully. Now cut the excess tape off. Once you've cut all the side tape off, you're going to put them together and tape the bottom. First, put the tape on this halfway, then put this one on and fold the tape over. Then cut the excess tape off. Then you're going to do that to both of these sides. Now cut the tapes off. Now you're going to fill this hole with stuffing. Once it's full, you're going to push it down and tape the top. Now cut off the edges. And that's how to make a paper squishy.